Yes, good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. I don't know why I'm awake, it's 8 in the morning and I just got to bed at 2, so a little bit sleepy. Anyway, let's talk the Masked Singer, and we have 2 new characters and we have one returning, that is the bride, and I think we have the avocado and we have Snowflake, and then we have the bride, of course, the dinosaur. So yeah, let's no further ado, let's talk about the Snowflake or Snowstorm, I think that is. Yeah, let's see what we think, and if you like me, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment what you think about the characters, and give a thumbs up. So here we go. Sounds like a Disney song. Oh yeah, she's singing Thinking Next by Ariana Grande.
Now I listen and laugh, even almost got married. And to Nick I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an
I like the outfit. Very first Secret Angels. The wings.
One taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing. Loved and I've lost. That's not what I see. Look what I found. Look what you taught me. And for that I'll say thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. I'm so freaking grateful for my ex. Say thank you next. Say thank you next.
Okay.
I'm so freaking grateful for my ex. Thank you next. Thank you next.
I have no idea what this is.
One day I'll walk down the aisle, holding hands with my mama. We'll be thinking about dad, cause we grew from the drama. Only wanna do it once real bad. Gonna make that stuff last. God forbid something happens, at least the song is a smash. I got so much love, I got so much patience. I've learned from the pain. I turned out
I don't know what to think about this.
loved and I've lost. That's not what I see. Look what I found. Ain't no need for searching. And for that I'll say thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. I'm so freaking grateful for my ex. Say thank you next. Say thank you next. I'm so freaking grateful for my ex.
No, not you.
Not you. I don't know what to say about this. I have to say, I think the ladies in this season has raised the bar so high. We have so many great female singers. I was bored. No offense to the one who's doing the Snowflake or Snowstorm. I was bored. Because I mean I like this song Thinking Next by Ariana Grande, but I was like, this, whoever you are, I don't know, but you didn't take it there like I want this song to be done. And there was no high notes, there was no nothing vocal, difficulty and everything. It was kind of basic. So in this season of the ladies that's been so strong, you have the mermaid, you have the robot girl, you have the harp, and you have the 3 lambs. This was boring. No shade to the Snowflake, but in comparison to the other ladies, this was boring. I don't know. Sorry, I don't need to say much more. This is not a character I think should go through. I don't know if she did go through or not, but girl, this was boring. Next character.